guys, my name is Sree Murali. I have opted for IELTS general training from Y-Axis. My experience with Y-Axis coaching services and my IELTS tutor, Ms. Paromita Sharma, has been simply wonderful. To say that Ms. Sharma is an amazing tutor would be an epic understatement. She encourages us to do our best always. The LMS is very easy to use. It's it's got everything under the sun when it comes to IELTS related material. It has all the quizzes, all the mock tests, every practice question possible, and it is something that you will always need if you're preparing for IELTS. And the coaching support service has been amazing. Uh, I did miss a couple of sessions and I got the recordings for the same. And overall, my experience with Y-Axis coaching services has been simply wonderful. And I will definitely recommend Y-Axis coaching services to everyone I know.